Moina Quabashonko, Edubia, ever platform, yes, so. Miguswa air kind say a hanum air chroma TVGH. Monko so na Monshare stories no emame. Na one kai sem the monsem kakran so be comment section. Na agentry na etimi ewie pay. Medin any mame efia adepa. E best rese monko so na Monshare stories ni na emaye. Yen say bre be hwe ne aboura yen sem no emu. Kakra na ye epinchen MPP for one more primaries. Na to say no hwemu aspirants any delegates ahodro no bia aye krado. Na ensamba komi no bi eguso e koso ni na efa yewura the honorable Kennedy Agyapong, Asen Central for MP, named him say he has the aspirations to be a flag bearer and a president in the near future. Now, our intelligence blind man, Bulgaria, and an annoy analysis be, and now Obabe Church, Semu Bebre, EDB2, dry command supporters of Kennedy Agyapong, and the other baby, Emi say, Kokobon Sem Cassia, and now to be Eddie Amani honorable. And a small cano, or Chirima, or say honorable one, who ye and I know Ebe Nika. And I know bets me assorted or no ankasa much as any no, and I want to know a baby service be within chu and nema enquy emano. Send a 7 no can say me na no honorable any interview because so than a crocoball. A fear was nigger dink can send be so by the level emano cran a fear crab a reply ever reacted to a honorable na and samba coming with tie folly ira Kennedy Agyapong hopa and no a century union baby a coy. Ameswali ehon bebre na emi se onya platform no okasa ko ho ene empeniphobia maybe okasa kaseti o nyina no he was trying to explain in depth in the interview no eno ka ho bi na ama our intelligent blind man edesa advice we strong ko call dem ma honorable se wan hwe na no pa ebe ma wadi ncho na nsem no ahuru bebre ka ho obon ho modern chirechire mu dom so kokko akire interview for mon kai na mon chama comment section mensa kan audio ni video ni na ntme me agebre na yen say adaje cry akotie nsema a young man editu dwa edekoma honorable Kennedy Agyapong ewo abato enkanko ene ni aspirations awo so ba be president dachi no yenti nsem sinese koye e ban komo bi aka bi ebeto so
edunu miensa akana o trepe na MPP special delegate congress no abaso Mamintia Dr. Mahmoud Baumia, any Ubia or campaign Mahmoud Baumia, any Ubia or a world wisher of Honorable Dr. Mahmoud Baumia, His Excellency the Vice President. Yeah, Namintia Honorable Kennedy, Kwame, Ohene, Yao, Akompreku, Agyapong, Mintia Onafu, any the chief before now. Now, I mean, can't you say, Honorable Kennedy, you don't want. Problem be I said but assembly no credit the Emeka. I'm say wiki me say Asen Central Amrashi be ni ope say Nyankopon ye na doma obedi MPP osuko koko amanyuku anim akwa pre Ghana abenwa mfiempi mienu ni aduonu nan abato a ebeba so ma me establishment won kai me se pese be sua de bebre because me shall comment now the better down kwa video you know a lot ti ma mente unka e di say e bia wan hwe sa video na me recognize won na wo hwe video ya link me 0243931365 0243931365 mame ma mente unka wo bia wo bia me sia aha enti me wo se wakoye interviews bebre o kasa o kire niama obetina he na interviews ni mu no ensem bebre piem na interview no so tia we obi a ope honorable Kennedy ohene Kwame Akompreku Agyapong asem na wa ye wadwen se bia obeto abama na se bibia koya e wo tirima wan hwa obesisa wadwen na interview no oye baako City FM ana oye baako so TV3 but 10 minutes eso na ekodu 12 minutes prompt me na nsem bebre piepiem how we didn't confront them any nsem bi they say Ahmed Swale asemi ekopiem na honorable Kennedy Kwame Akompreku yawo ohene Agyapong media anas issue na o take na me no ya adin na mum Ahmed Swale ya o ko class yesiana yemono na fine and obetua na fine. I think so. And then you didn't come young fire and yeah, Miniwa coming come as wale as a mini. Miniwa like a journalist, if some question coming come once. Because a honor one you're smart. When say, Sanka Honorable Kennedy, Minu Crown come may me be our man from any net to TV car. May shut down quad media because social interview na guy near na. One, I dream about me back when they say, guy no was he seeking to entrap Honorable Kennedy Agyapong and a two. Now I dream back was about me say, what was the guy seeking to achieve? Was he saying, say, I say, guy no, what Fabibia on a personal level, and I say, a questions are ordinary, Obia, or Honorable Kennedy Agyapong interview, Uber Bisa and a guy, not Obisa. Because we shall offer him for what did you term in summer? Me, I'm a swallow, JD. Honorable Kennedy, all of them, many one coming because issue in the term. And now, say your woo, say your woo. I own a waffle once him. And I could banish her. Because Honorable Ken, on the I am a tight cast, I do with you. Say, sometimes no politics, no. It is not just about emotions. You have to learn how to be diplomatic because who answer how the man journalist a bad answer now the man say and I find he could see na Ahmed died because of his own bad deeds. I think Edu baby a Kennedy, you should respect the dead. Now who say sebi obi ba na ewu no obi nua na ewu no obi busuani obi a oma obi aduane na ewu no. At least you should have respect for the family. Sebi. So I think say Honorable Ken, in spite of say Opesa president, I think say you are still not matured politically and emotionally. You are still emotionally and politically immature because I said still. Leadership is about character. Because we shall answer now Ahmed Swali died because of his own bad deed. No, Yankasa honorable. Yankasa sebi. Yen na ye Ghana for. Yen na ye before. At least obi na ewu no ntika fo wo kakra ema ebusua no ani nipa na wanya ne baby ko. Ana tu wo hwe ensem bia wo kafa afia Schwarzenegger so ana oba ne level ne fine ko si honorable niama we bi ene be ma ye mu bi no ye mpese wo be ye o mampani no niama mo bi no ene be ma ye because I say you are more reactive than proactive. I say odi obi kan wa obeka no obi bo obi boni bi obi ye say obi team team ye mfasa anye leader o a leader there Professor Bozi and kan asem say to be a good leader you must get a stomach for many nonsense because leadership come with many things. Obi ba be you say, obi be you say, obi be you say. Niama be say intina Yesu Christo ka say. Mose ka say, obi bona, obi bowa, mo money bi. Nemo ma ya makoma din intino ka say. Nemo media me say, obi bowa suma dani wasuba akoma na bon. Na faman no sa mum. Enye say bia we jimi o. But sometimes no swallow niama bi kakra. What I say? Because you see an pray say ubaba be get mine Omining na penny. Now how can we have on my penia only on one man for ever 3 months on my penia won't mean criticizing on my penia on your cow back? How can we have such a president? Because if you are Schwarzenegger on your level, on your politician, on corporate on my penny bia. Inti aden krananka journalist ni bisao if you are Schwarzenegger assembly. One fast assembly and and cow jai one sem can I heading. I think, sir, Honorable Kennedy Agyapong, so why is serious, say, Ube president, you must be more proactive than reactive. Because, same way I go kind and now ODD matem and I'm MPB, your colleague MPB catcher me say, na then I'll be no ODD attempts are and a share me before and I mention me ban a level. I think I needless. Because and somehow what kind and uche kwan Obefa so develop Ghana by using the 5 northern regions. Who can send me? I think say very laudable ideas. One saying now out to negative aspect no. If you was negative, yeah, and I bet topical issue, and then a bloggers, edit dish and frame or YouTube name, social media. I think say you must a little bit grow up. You must grow. You must mature politically and emotionally, because you want to be a president of the land. You want to occupy the highest office of the land, and you can't occupy this position with this your emotional immaturity. What I say? Because if you crowd Babeka say, or no crowd who got how who can answer me, who copy president, who contact say you need all those, which I think say very important. And yeah, say even Nipa crowd when you say be almost support to crowd, who be contact you say you need their support. I know a very good idea, but to go and sit there now, assembly came 7 years ago, work of fast assembly now be bad because some case bad down to a level. And some of kind and fatal peniano. You are saying you are make us you do metraka or be unfunny serious. But looking at your level, we are honorable member of parliament. Now to meet radio sukase or baby asisho kokoko, and you are proud, you are not even ashamed of assembly kind, and you are defending it by saying, say, oh didi matemna makes me bad down to a level, and you want to occupy the highest office of the land. Oh, kwame akumpre. I think say needless, and you shouldn't have given it. In case you're smart now, say a quiet journalist, no person, a diversionary tactics, and another journalist you use against you. Why you're smart? And also class be, and now only kwekua nine, and na kwekua nine now. Honorable, all those issues now we young, and who and can focus on your. I think say it is about time I say focus on. O presidential ambition not done. Nipa only more issues.